Are you tired of constantly receiving retweet notifications on Twitter and want to declutter your feed? Today, I'll guide you through the process of disabling retweets notifications from anyone on Twitter using your PC. To begin, open Twitter and navigate to your profile by clicking on your profile picture located in the top right corner. From there, select Settings and Privacy to access your account settings. In the left-hand column, locate and click on the Web Notifications option. This will direct you to the Notifications Settings page. Within the Notification Types menu, click on Preferences to customize your notification preferences according to your liking. Next, find and click on Push Notifications to manage your real-time notification settings effectively. Under the Retweets section, make sure to select the box labeled Off to disable retweet notifications from anyone on Twitter. Lastly, save your changes by clicking the Save Changes button at the bottom of the page. By following these simple steps, you can take control of your Twitter notifications and enjoy a more streamlined experience on your PC. Say goodbye to unnecessary retweet notifications and curate your Twitter feed to suit your preferences effortlessly.